In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of blocking a phone number on our app. Blocking a number is a great way to ensure you won't receive any more calls, messages or notifications from that contact. Let's kick things off by showing you how to block a contact from your contact list. Simply start by tapping on the contact icon in the tab bar. Once you've found the contact you'd like to block, just tap on it. You'll see an option to block this contact. Go ahead and tap it, and then confirm your choice by selecting Block Contact on the pop-up window. You'll know it worked when a little block icon appears next to that contact. Next, let's check out how to block a phone number from your call history. This one's easy too. On the Call History tab, just swipe left on the phone number that's been causing you trouble. You'll see both a block icon and a delete icon. To block the number, tap the block icon. A pop-up window will appear, so hit Block Contact there. Voila! Another blocked number. And the block icon will now be visible on the blocked contact. Lastly, let's talk about how to block a number from your message history. Head over to the message icon in the tab bar, and find the contact you'd like to block. Swipe left on that contact and tap on the block icon. Once again, you'll confirm by selecting Block Contact on the pop-up window. And if you ever change your mind and want to unblock a contact, no worries. Just swipe left on the contact again and look for the unblock icon. The block icon will disappear, and that contact is now unblocked. That's it. You are now a pro at blocking and unblocking on our app. Thanks for watching.